In this American English pronunciation video, we're going to go over some of the differences in vowel sounds in American English and British English. Today I'm going to make a video with another awesome English channel on YouTube, Minu AngloLink. The reason why I'm collaborating with them is because they're in the UK. So together we're going to talk about some of the differences between American English and British English pronunciation. Hi Minu, can you tell me a little bit about your channel and AngloLink?
Hello everyone, my name is Minu and my YouTube channel is called AngloLink. On this channel I teach British English and I base my lessons on what I find to be the most challenging areas of English grammar, pronunciation or vocabulary for my learners. So I hope you will come and have a look at some of my lessons.
Great, let's start with the O diphthong. This is the sound we use, O. The sound used in British English, however, is the schwa and the as in pull sound. We say no, no, and in British it's
No.
You can see in the pronunciation on the left, the British pronunciation, that there's less jaw drop for the first sound than the American pronunciation on the right. Jaw drop is one of the topics I have to work on with a lot of my students.
No.
No,
No.
no,
No.
no. Let's take a look at a sentence. Don't go alone. Each of these words has the O as in no diphthong in American English. Don't go alone. In British English,
Don't go alone.
don't go alone.
Don't go alone.
Don't go alone. The ah vowel. In American English, there are many words that have the letter O representing the ah as in father vowel. For example, hot, honest, mom, top. The ah vowel has a good bit of jaw drop and totally relaxed lips. In British English, however, in these words where the O represents the ah, there is a different vowel sound. There's more lip rounding and less jaw drop. For example, I say hot. Minu says
Hot.
Notice how much more Minu's lips round for this sound. In American English, the corners of the lips are completely relaxed, and the jaw drops a bit more. Hot,
Hot.
hot,
Hot.
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 Honest,
Honest.
honest,
Honest.
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 An example sentence. Hot or iced coffee. Both hot and coffee have the ah vowel in American English. Hot or iced coffee.
Hot or iced coffee.
Now let's talk about the ah vowel. In American English, when this vowel is followed by a nasal consonant, it's no longer a pure vowel. With N and M, we have an extra sound after the vowel. If it's followed by NG, the ah vowel changes altogether and sounds more like the A as in say diphthong. Check out the video that I made for more information on this topic. Let's look at some example words. First, A plus N, can, can, can. Do you hear that extra sound? Can. It's what happens as the tongue relaxes down in the back before the tip raises for the N sound. Can, can. Now let's hear Minu say it.
Can.
The vowel is more pure there, right from the A into the N sound.
Can.
Can,
Can.
can,
Can.
can. An example with M. Ham, ham. Again, you can hear the sound as my tongue relaxes down in the back before the lips close for the M sound. Ham, ham. Minu says it.
Ham.
Ham,
Ham.
ham,
Ham.
ham. And now when the A vowel is followed by the NG consonant sound, like in the word thanks. When we say it, thanks, it's much more like the A diphthong than the A vowel. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Minu says it.
Thank,
Thanks,
thank,
thanks,
thank.
thanks. And finally, let's talk about the vowel. This vowel is in words like girl, world, first, hurt, person, worst. But in British English, the R sound isn't included. For example, I say first. Minu says
Fast,
first,
fast,
first,
fast.
first. I say worst. Minu says
Worst,
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 worst.
worst. I say girl. Minu says
Gum,
girl,
gum,
girl,
gum.
girl. So there you have 4 differences in American versus British English. If you liked this video, click here or in the description box on YouTube to see a video I made with Minu on her channel. The topic is consonant differences in American and British English. It also has a list of words with both British and American English pronunciation. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English. Don't stop there. Keep going with my American English in Real Life playlist, my Reduction and Linking playlist, or any of the playlists on my channel. And don't forget to visit rachelsenglish.com where there's lots more to work with.